Hi, it's Andrew Bartlett, and as the information here says, I'm a student at Able State University. I'm pursuing a Bachelor's of Science in Management Information Systems, and you can call me at the number listed and the email address as well. You can get in contact. Okay, so today I'm going to go and show a bit of a program that I was working on with a Microsoft Access file. Anyways, and so as far as with this, it's basically used as, well, it's being used for a client, or potentially going to go to a client as a rental property data view. So this is for Microsoft Access. And he's noticed immediately I clicked on the file. It opens up to the main form, the menu. And if you want to close and exit out, you just hit the button, close out, and we can open it back up again. That's right here. Okay, so we're going to start off by just opening up the only two, the forms and the reports. So first off, there's a small little filter I put up here. See Bow Joe's in here. So I'm going to go to, say, Jimmy Joe, this guy. So already on here, your form, you can type whatever you want on them or whatever you want to change. And so right here, you search Jimmy Joe. Next. There we go. Alright, so there we have it. Alright, so I'm just going to change a few things and show what I implemented on this, and just going to take it as is. Okay, so here's Jimmy Joe. And how do you find something? You just hit the find or go to. Anyways, so for him, he has his monthly payment set up at $255.46. The additional payments, he made an additional payment of $55. He has 6 months on the lease, and he made 5 payments already. So pretty much one more payment done. So how it pans out here is he has one left on the lease, made 5 payments, and this is the total amount he paid. So calculated, you got 5 payments, so 5 times 255.46 was the 120. Goes out to $1,277.30. They made $55 extra, so plus 5 equals $132.30. Okay. Now let's just change this. Let's say he made that last payment. So it's all done. Okay, so we're going to save the record. Go up to the report. And usually I just kind of leave it to refresh when you get to the report. So you only had 5. Get refreshed, it goes to 6. So he has 0 left on the lease. And now this due date count, I'll show you a little bit what that does. But as you can see, it went from 1332 to 1,587.46. I'm not going to calculate it out. All right, and so as far as the date part on here, due date count. This basically just counts the days from the due date to the date he paid last. Last time he paid. So 5/29 to 5/29 is 0 days, obviously, and he has 0 time left on there. And I made a conditional formatting spot where if it's exactly on time, it highlights in yellow as on time. Now this person right here, they're late. They're late by 1 day or negative 1 day. Okay, they have 60. They have no time left in the lease as well. So let's go to Bob Joe. Okay, Bob Joe. All right, so he's late. Due date was this day, and he paid the next day. Let's see what happens if he pays a little early. 1 day early. Save record. Return report. Yep, he paid 1 day early, and he's early. So, all right. And let's say you wanted to delete him for whatever reason. You delete your record by just going to this button, delete record, and should not see Joe Bob anymore after you hit OK or yes. All right. Refresh it, and there he's gone. Or Bob Joe. So, okay, so Bob Joe, once I refresh this, he's gone. And I just put a small counter on here to see how many tenants you have. Alright, so let's say you only wanted to filter people who paid early. Just right click, equals early, and those are only your early tenants, those that pay early. You can hit the filter, toggle it off, and I got everybody else. On time, and early. 4 tenants. So, if you wanted to add a record, add record. Okay, I'm going to show you what happens when you go into late. Okay, so let's say the due date was the 22nd. They paid it, let's make it really late, the 29th. Monthly payments. Say it's $350. Okay, and let's say you made no additional payments, and it's a 2-year lease, and let's say he's already in, done 6 payments. Okay, so you save the record, press it a little bit. Now you got 5 people in there. So right now, before you refresh the information, there's 4. There's 5. And the person we just added was the late tenant. And of course, they're late by 7 days. All right. And you can go to, obviously here's your search right here. And so right now it's at the first record. Let's go to the last record. 5 out of 5. 1 out of 5. Next record, previous. Let's keep going through all of them. All right. And let's say you're done here. And let's say you're done here. gonna go out. All right. Well, that's pretty much it. Small little preview of what I've been playing around with, working with, and I hope you have a great evening.